Talk to me nice, talk to me honestly. Look in my eyes, don't let it fall on me. Say you're a good guy, make me believe it. Don't wanna hear it.
Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Adetola. I am going to be trying out a few products together with you that are actually new to me. They've been out for, some of them have been out for a few weeks and some of them have been out a little while longer. But they are absolutely brand new to me, and we will be trying these products together for the first time. And before I forget, if you're new, don't forget to subscribe and turn on your notification bell. And I will see you at the end of the video. The main product for this video actually is more of a focus on this one right here. There we go. I was trying to see if I could get it to focus. It retails for $29 at Sephora. And what I like about this is that it says it provides medium coverage for up to 24 hours. So yeah, I am really looking forward to testing this out. And I was sent the color 81 Deep. So I'm really hoping that this will be my match. If you've tried this before, you probably want to just go ahead and let me know in the comments, because I typically just use foundation. So this is a new experience for me. And I can't wait to see how much coverage it does provide. But that's as much as I'm going to use. So I'm going to use, my hands have been washed, which is something you always want to do. Look at that. Not bad. About to see. And I'm going to dab. And it says to actually use your fingers to apply it, so why don't we just go ahead and do that? Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and rub this all over my face. I think this is a pretty good coverage. It's medium coverage like they said. I can still see the one dark spot that is peeking through, but I can live with this. One thing I will say is, if you notice, let me show you something. My chest is way much lighter than my face. I don't understand, like, I don't know, and I don't really bother myself about it. I know that for a lot of people it's the opposite, but for me, I don't try to match my face to my chest. If I try to do that, that would be ridiculous. That would mean that I'm trying to make myself look lighter, which I do not have any intention of doing whatsoever. This is pretty much a good match for me. And I'm really happy that they took the time to send me a shade that they believed would actually work for me. I really appreciate when brands take the time, you know, to do that, because I wasn't asked my shade and they just sent this color to me, and I like it. I like it. I'm going to apply something on my lips because I cannot stand dry lips. I don't know if you know, I do have dry skin, so regardless of that, I think I'm still going to go ahead and use some powder and concealer and the whole 9 yards, because I like the glow that I have, but I also want to make sure that I'm a little bit more matte. But this is a good shade. It's not bad. I'm going to go ahead and use the Juvia's Place concealer in the shade number 8. So we're going to go ahead and blend this out per usual. We're going to go ahead and blend out the concealer. You want to make sure that you leave it on for a few seconds or about a minute. It's all up to you. It's your preference. I don't like drawing the concealer out too much because I feel like if you draw it out more, it's going to make your face look whiter. But if that's the look you're going for, that's fine. The ugly, the faces we make when we're blending. Oh. The interesting thing is, there was actually nothing on this brush. This brush was clean. Alright, so the trick that I did was just to wipe down from underneath my eyebrows and bring it down to the bridge of my nose. So I really am not applying any bronzer or whatever to the brush. I just wiped down. That's a trick. Yeah, and it looks like I applied, bronzer, and I didn't. I just wiped the side of my nose. And I'm gonna pat it down so that you can see. This is with my sponge because you don't want any harsh lines. And we're gonna go ahead and apply some powder. But it's interesting that I did not apply bronzer. All right, let's move along and apply a little bit of powder. So I'm going to go ahead and use the Full Spectrum by CoverGirl, and I use the shade Deep Cool 2 on the darker ends that are not highlighted. I like the fluffiness that comes along with brushes like this. See how soft? It's really soft. And this is from Juvia's Place. This is the J101. I can still see some separation over here, but I think it's something I can live with. I really do. I would probably prefer more coverage, to be quite honest. But on days that I just want that natural glow look, like, you don't have much to conceal, you just want to get on the Zoom meeting real quick. The Hydrator, it provides enough coverage as far as I'm concerned. I like it. Next, I'm going to move in with the Translucent Honey from Laura Mercier, and I'm going to use that under my eyes and the highlighted areas of my face. I will leave all of the products that I use in the description. I will be using the Urban Decay Heat. This is the Naked Urban Decay Heat. Neutral, vibe. I love these colors a lot. So the first color that I'm going to go in with is Cayenne. And that would be this color right here. This is a beautiful color. Alright, so moving on, I'm going to use the next color as Ashes, which is this one right here, right there. It's the second to the last in the tray. And then you want to take your time to blend. And I'm taking that brush back that I used for Cayenne and bring it in just to blend it a little bit more. I am not applying any product. I'm just trying to blend the two so there are no harsh lines. And then last but not least, I'm going to move into the color Scorched. That's this one right here. Those are the three colors that I'm using. That's Scorched, Cayenne, and Ashes. And what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to finish up with the eyes. I'm going to put on some lashes and finish up the other eye, and I'll be right back. So I'm going to go ahead and use the All Nighter Setting Spray by Urban Decay. Using my sponge, I'm just going to tap on the areas that I applied the setting spray real quick. I like to hurry up and do this because I'm not applying any other products. So I like how this looks when I want to call it massage the setting spray all into my skin. Alright, so moving on to the lips, I think what I'm going to do, because I want something a little more on the brown, we'll see how this comes out. I have something in my mind. This is Limitless Brown from Makeup Forever. So the next color I'm going to be using is from Milani Cosmetics, and this is in the shade Teddy Bear. So we're all done. Believe it or not, we're all done. I absolutely love this Hydromaniac Tinted Glow Hydrator from Urban Decay. Thank you so much for sending this to me. I cannot believe that, it matched. They took their time, like I said at the beginning, to try and figure out what color was going to match my skin tone. I was not asked anything, but it was sent, and I'm really happy that they did a good job with that. Urban Decay, if you're watching, I really appreciate this. This is not a sponsored post. The Urban Decay the Naked Urban Decay Heat Palette is a winner. I love this. I need to get some more lip products on Sephora also, but I really did like everything about this look. So if you've ever used this, let me know what your shade is, and let me know how it's worked for you as well. But in the meantime, this is beautiful. I feel cute. I feel good. I feel beautiful. Whatever you do, make sure you spend time doing those things that bring your heart joy, okay? I do really appreciate you for watching this video. Let me know in the comments if you have any other suggestions, and I will see you in the next video, by God's grace.